Hi, and welcome again to Nrcc Business Talk. Today we have Liana, Mirea, the General Manager of AFS Financial Services Romania. Hi, and welcome.
Hello, thank you.
First of all, what is this AFS Financial Services Romania, AFS?
What does it stand for,
Yeah.
right? It is a non-bank financial institution, and it was established in 2007, way back, by two Dutch financial institutional investors that were keen on having a way of offering an alternative to bank financing. Because what we want is to give customers more and better than what bank financing is doing. How do we do that?
Yeah.
We want to. So the
Now
management.
that it's hard not to be better than better than the banks, it's not that hard, really.
We think so too.
Yeah.
So what we try to do is to offer more personalized services, and also to make financing fast and more flexible.
Is it
Which
working?
Indeed, it is very well working, of course, or at least our customers say so.
For whom? What is the typical profile of your customer?
The typical customer that we have, the typical profile would be an SME, if you call it this way. But of course, we also have corporate customers as our customers, especially if we speak of reverse factoring. If I am to name a typical profile, it would be a company that wants more and better, which means that it wants more personalized services, faster services, and more flexible services than it has from its own bank.
Now, why do you become a member of the Nrcc?
Well, by nature, we are quite favorable to chambers of commerce because these chambers of commerce offer a way of both networking and sharing experiences. And I should say that Nrcc is and has proven to be one of the most active, and I would say also one of the most lively.
Now, what is the most important advantage that you offer to your customers?
If we speak of only one advantage, is to
Okay, I'll give you
maybe
3.
Let me give you 19.
19, that's
Yes.
a lot.
The first
All right.
one, the first one would be being very fast. So we offer customers speed, which is quite important sometimes when a customer really needs money. Another advantage that we offer is flexibility. We are, again, fortunate enough to be able to personalize everything that we are doing, to look at a customer, which is a company, on the company's own activity, own basis, which also means being able to offer flexibility. The third advantage that we offer, but I see you are very much bored, so
No.
I will cheat it all at once.
I'm thinking, how do I get these guys money? I'm thinking, do I fit there?
Okay.
Do I check that box? I don't know.
Okay, let me finish with the advantages. The other 17 advantages are in fact my 17 colleagues.
And you're trying to put people back in.
Yes, yes, this is our creed, if I may say so. People are the most important thing, and more I think our competition is also seeing that, because the most important asset that is missing seems to be people, specialized people, good people, and we are fortunate to have that because we have another type of atmosphere that you rarely see I think, in financial businesses, such as family style working, although very, very hard working.
Factoring. You told me about this advantage that you offer. How did you come with the idea? I know banks are offering factoring
As well.
Is your factoring service different? What does it do, especially for clients?
It is different only in the fact that it is more specialized, more personalized, because factoring for us means what it means to any other factor, which is offering the customers several advantages, several possibilities. Our customers in factoring are sellers of goods, sellers of services, and their needs are the most important to factor. What are the main needs? So the main needs are to increase your range of customers as a company, And also, one of the main needs, and very important also, is to not to pay immediately to your suppliers. So factoring is covering this and more. Why? Because our customers, who are, as I said, sellers, do not have always, especially if they are SMEs, the skills to analyze their own customers or their own potential customers. You want to make the range larger. What do you offer best? You offer the possibility to pay term, not immediately.
How do I know between these 10 Chinese companies which are the ones who are going to stick me up?
Exactly. But a factor may know. Why? First of all, the analysis. Then, if you speak of external or export factoring, then you also may speak of insurance. And an insurer may know and may add its knowledge to the knowledge of the factor itself.
Now,
so this is another advantage indeed that we offer to factoring customers, that they are more prepared for the risk.
Why should they go to you instead of a bank?
Okay. If you are an SME, you may want to go to us instead of a bank. Why? Because although there's a lot of talk about serving the SMEs, in fact, we are treating SMEs as if they were corporates. Meaning direct discussion, trying to understand the needs. There are many times when, for instance, our customers come to us and think, okay, let's try this as well, but I don't think we will find a solution. And many times they are surprised that we do find a solution. Why? Because we look, as I said, at the core of the business and of the way the business is going. We do not have only the usual standardized approach, which says if you fit into these boxes, you can have this much, you can have this price, and you must give these collaterals. I'm speaking in general, not only factoring.
Now, let's say Romania is your customer. Our country, you know the country, it's Eastern Europe on the left bank of the Black Sea.
I slightly remember.
Yeah, that's the general idea, okay? What would you require from Romania before lending money to Romania?
Very nice question. So, first of all, what we require from a company or a customer that we would like to lend money to would be the so-called character. What does character mean? It means not only the business being held at the best standards, but also the managers of the business being trustworthy, being honest, and having the best features for that business. Okay? If you translate this to a country,
I kind of see where this is going. And
if you translate it to a country,
if you don't want to say it, I'll say it. They don't have any.
I'm not here to say that, but what I would like to say is that this is what is required. Actually, there are three main things that you require in credit. So first of all, as I said, it's character. And of course, the character of the management, which means also of the leaders of a country. The second one would be capital. What would be capital in the case of a country? It would probably be the resources and how well that country is taking care of them. Okay?
One of the resources is draining at a fast rate, people.
Yes, this is completely true.
Yeah.
And it is one of the
And we are not discovering new deposits of people in the Black Sea, you know?
Right.
That's not happening. It's just gas. People, everybody walks out. So that's probably a no-no for you, right? When you're seeing this kind of capital draining out of the country.
Exactly. For not the best of reasons.
Yeah. And the third?
And the third would be capacity. Capacity refers to the way that the company or the customer or the country has the plan followed. So before having to follow the plan, it has to have a plan and a good one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I think this answers all your questions because
it kind of does.
You can
so
answer
I'm seeing that Romania does not get money from you. Is it?
Yeah, for the moment not.
For the moment not. Ladies and gentlemen, Liana, who is the General Manager of AFS Financial Services Romania, thank you very much. And
thank you.
Thank you for being with us at NRCC Business Talk.